We might consider Schrödinger's cat.
Schrödinger. Is that the woman in 2A?
No, that's Mrs. Grossinger. And she doesn't have a cat. She has a Mexican hairless, annoying little animal. Yip, yip, yip.
Sheldon!
Sorry, you diverted me. Anyway, in 1935, Erwin Schrödinger, in an attempt to explain the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum physics, he proposed an experiment where a cat is placed in a box with a sealed vial of poison that will break open at a random time. Now, since no one knows when or if the poison has been released, until the box is opened, the cat can be thought of as both alive and dead.
Filled with madness. The world's like a madhouse, and we all know that that's to blame, to blame, to blame, to blame, to blame, to blame, to blame. That's right.
But before you say anything, have you ever heard of Schrödinger's cat?
Actually, I've heard far too much about Schrödinger's cat.
Good.
All right, the cat's alive. Let's go to dinner.
You saw nothing.